Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying that your system recognizes the RAID controller. Enter BIOS or controller BIOS and confirm firmware version and mode. Once done, mount the drives into labeled bays and connect cables to the RAID chip ports in the exact order you planned. Make sure to back up any existing data now. RAID initialization wipes disks. If your controller requires drivers, stage them on a USB stick so the OS installer can load them during setup. Next, open the RAID utility and create the array by choosing the RAID level that matches your needs, performance or redundancy. Then pick stripe size and caching policy carefully because they affect throughput and latency. Once selected, add the labeled drives to the virtual disk. Optionally assign a hot spare for automatic rebuilds and choose full or quick initialization depending on time and safety. Make sure to save the configuration to the controller and note the array ID for OS installation or management tools. Finally, install the operating system with the RAID drivers loaded so the installer sees the virtual disk. If the OS is already installed, enable the controller and import the array. Once formatted, run smart tests and a file system consistency check to confirm drive health and RAID integrity. Make sure scheduled backups and monitoring are configured. If something goes wrong, check controller logs, receipt cables, swap suspect drive to hot spare, and update firmware or drivers as the first troubleshooting actions to resolve detectability or rebuild issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.